The following segment is sponsored by the Salt Lake Greek Festival. The Greek Festival is happening soon, and here to show us a recipe of something Greek you can make at home is Viet. He's the owner of Pretty Bird, which you all know. Viet, great to see you.
Great to see you too. Thanks for having me here.
Of course. Okay, this is exciting. We love the Greek Festival, and you actually have some Greek background.
Yeah, I was baptized Greek Orthodox a couple years ago. My wife is Greek, and I love the culture, and I love mixing in some of my culture with the Greek heritage.
Well, you've done amazing things here in Salt Lake with your Pretty Bird restaurant.
Thank you.
How is everything going?
It's going great. You know, we're almost going to open up our downtown location after a month or so of remodel, and our Sugar House location is growing great. And then this fall we'll have our Park City location opening.
Yay! That is so exciting, Viet. Okay, you're going to show us how to make something at home, which is Greek inspired, right?
Yeah. So like one of my favorite dishes is just a traditional Greek roasted chicken. Here I have is a whole chicken, and the traditional herbs that you'll see in the Greek chicken is you'll see rosemary.
Okay.
There's some oregano,
Yum.
a little bit of thyme, garlic, lemon, olive oil, and pepper. And what I like to add to enhance this dish is a little bit of a Vietnamese ingredient. Actually, it's actually a Greek ingredient that was kind of like shared through the spice trade in Southeast Asia. Vietnam took on it. So this is fish sauce. And a lot of people, when they think of fish sauce, they're like, ew, it's fishy. But you know what? If you use it in the right amount,
It's so good.
It brings out the most savory flavors.
Hold on, show everyone.
It's amazing.
So it's really like come full circle.
Yeah, full circle.
That's really great. Okay, tell us how we're going to make it. What are we going to do?
Yeah, so to prepare the chicken, you would just in a bowl, you would add all the herbs, the lemon juice, and more importantly, you got to make sure you use the lemon zest, because the lemon juice gives it that tart, acidic flavor, but the lemon peel itself has all the oils and the inherent flavors of lemon that we love so much.
Interesting. I thought it was just for people wanting to be fancy, but there's a reason behind it.
There's a reason behind that. The garlic, the pepper, salt, and the olive oil, and then the very last ingredient you want to add is just maybe about 2 teaspoons of fish sauce.
Okay.
Mix it all together and then rub it in your chicken. Let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
And then stick it in the oven or in your barbecue and roast it.
Do you like using the whole chicken just because you get more out of your, what you're making?
I love whole chicken because the presentation's a lot more beautiful. And then also you could cut up in however way you like.
Yeah. And Viet loves his chicken. You know your chicken.
I do love my chicken.
You
I love my Pretty
do.
Birds.
You do. Okay, so is there anything we can substitute maybe if we didn't have like certain ingredients, or is this basically what you're going to need? So you're going to need to go to the store.
Yeah, you'll have to go to the store. You could use fresh herbs or dry herbs. Just make sure that if you are using dry herbs, you use a little bit less than what you would normally use, only because it's been dried. So there's a lot of flavors that are just kind of like packed in there. So if you use too much, it might be a little bit overwhelming.
Okay.
And then obviously, like if you don't like garlic or allergic to garlic or any of these herbs, you can omit them. But the key is to have olive oil, lemon, salt and pepper, and that's pretty much it. And then if you like the fish sauce.
Okay, amazing. So Greek Festival coming up. You're going to be there doing some demonstrations, which is great.
Yeah, so I'm going to do a couple dishes. We're going to do a couple of traditional Greek dishes that are going to be fused with some Vietnamese flavors that I like so much.
Yummy. Amazing. Okay, where can we follow you and find you?
You can find me on Instagram at VPhams, which is VPHAMS. And find me at Pretty Bird.
Yes, definitely go down. Okay, yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.